y'all? It's Godwin here. This is another video, but this video is actually going to be something a little bit different. But one thing I do want to talk about, and I've been getting a lot of this like in my DMs, basically asking me, Godwin, how do you catch people's attention? It's like, I see you spend a lot of money on paid advertisement. I see that you post a lot of valuable content, but what is the strategy or what is the best route to go to catch people's attention? And I'm going to tell you guys this because if you guys know me, I have been an entrepreneur since I was in college around 2012, 2013. But I didn't fully start understanding certain strategies to really catch people's attention, because anybody can run paid advertisement, anybody can offer a product. But the thing that separates you from other business owners or you and other entrepreneurs is how you're capturing their attention, right? And what format and what way. So when we dive into this, I'm gonna break down some of the ways that we have literally scaled our business using paid advertisement, and one of the tools that we actually utilize to catch people's attentions. But listen, if you are watching this video, you might be watching this on Instagram, right? Just make sure to share this. Or you might be watching this on YouTube. Make sure to click the subscribe and like the video and drop a comment if there's something that you want me to record or break down, right? So let's actually dive into this. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is one way that we have utilized to capture people's attention is webinars, right? Now, of course, when I actually launched my coaching program, truth be told, I didn't really like, I was, and I'm going to be honest, I was kind of afraid because I never thought that I could get in front of, hundreds and hundreds of people actually breaking down my offer, what product that I'm selling, and how this product and tool can be able to help other business owners or other people that are looking to get into the entrepreneurship lane, right? And one way that we kind of actually, scaled up our business was utilizing webinars, right? Utilizing automated webinars to be able to show people what we offer 24/7. So instead of me sitting there talking about like, hey, this is what we offer. Hey, this is what we offer. Hey, this is what we offer, which is time consuming, number one. Number two, it's very, very energy draining repeating yourself, right? But when we started implementing the webinar structure, right, our business literally went from 0 to 100. And not only that, it was just based upon we had enough time to break down our service, what we offer, the tools that we can, offer to our clients to be able to scale up their business, right? And then at the same time, we gave out a closing offer, right? Basically saying, hey, after all the introduction of knowing who I am as the owner of the company, breaking down what we do, how we can help, how we scaled up other people's businesses from literally 0 to 6 and 7 figures, right? Then we were able to close without having our sales rep literally sit there and, take payments and repeat themselves like 10,000 times a week, right? So one way you can literally capture people's attention is usually posting a lot of dope content, right? Posting dope content, utilizing automated webinars, because trust me, when you are trying to, especially high ticket, if it's high ticket or even if it's low ticket, right? You want to structure yourself where you don't have to repeat yourself every single time, right? But at the end of the day, there's still some work you have to do, right? Just because you launch an automated webinar, just because you did a webinar doesn't mean you're done, right? That's just scratching the surface, right? Because there's certain things that you have to implement, right? Follow-ups, right? Basically, making sure that they came in from the webinar and, you're following up with them with email marketing, SMS marketing, right? Posting content, going live, so that the people that came in from a paid ad that viewed your product or your service, right? They're understanding, okay, this person is actually consistent. He's really giving me value, right? He's helping me take my business to the next level with the free information that was provided. Now, of course, inside of the webinar, there's a few things that I have learned that you have to implement, right? And one of the things that you definitely have to implement is engagement. A lot of people get on these webinars, and I'm going to be completely honest, they don't engage with their audience. There's no fun, there's no laughter, there's no engagement, right? These are something that's very, very important, right? You don't want to talk to a dead crowd, right? Have you ever been to a comedy show or something, and like the comedian is just telling bad jokes and everybody's just like looking like crickets, right? So you want to be able to engage with your crowd. But again, like I said, I really kind of recorded this video just to give you guys a glimpse of how you can capture people attention, right? You can do it in different formats: webinar, posting content, going live, giving free value. I am a person that gives out free value, right? No matter if I know that it can, well, anything that I release cannot really hurt our business, because at the end of the day, it's to help others grow. So it's like, once you get out the mindset of thinking like, hey, I can't keep this in my head, like I can't keep this in my brain, I have to give it away, then you start building more value for yourself. All right, so I love you guys. I wanted to make this quick video because this is something I've been getting a lot of DMs, like how are you capturing people's attention, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna record a video breaking that down. All right, so I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you're watching this on Instagram, share this video, and drop some comments on something you want to hear. All right, I love you guys so much. Let's go.